Hello and welcome to Logic with Olivia. Today we're going to look at disjunctive tables. And let's start out the same way we did with conjunction tables. Let's work with A or B. How many letters do we have? 2. What is 2 squared? 4. So we're going to have 4 rows. Starting off with 2 columns. The first column for A and the second column for B. We're going to split our first column in half. First 2 true, second 2 false. We're going to cut our B into fourths. True, false, true, false. And then our last column is going to be the A or B column. We're going to look if there's any row where both A and B are false. And indeed, our last row, both A and B are false. So we're going to make our A or B false. The remaining rows are going to be true because at least A or B is true once in each of those. So the rule for a disjunctive table is that one or the other must be true. If they are both false, then the A or B is going to be false.